Good morning, baby girl. Hmm? Yun ang gusto ko sa baby ko eh. Parang ni Papa eh. Pag ginigising ko, smile ka agad eh. Good morning! Um, I'm hungry. Ginising ako ng aking boss kasi may mga trabaho pa akong hindi natatapos. So, yeah. If you're wondering kung sino yung boss ko, my boss is my ate. Yes. I work for her. Kaya yan. Kahit anong oras ako natulog kagabi, 4 a.m. na yata. 4 a.m. na ako natulog. Tapos, gumising ako ngayon ng 9 o'clock. Kasi I have to finish some business. And walang holiday ngayon. Kahit holiday ngayon, today is Friday. Ano ngayon? Eid ano ba yun? Basta holiday ngayon. Yeah. And I'm hungry, as usual. Wala na naman pagkain sa baba. So, I think I have to order. Mag-order ako sa Jollibee kasi I'm craving. Actually, kahapon pa. Noong isang araw, I was craving pizza. So, nagpabili ako ng pizza sa asawa ko. Unfortunately, ang binili niyang pizza is Greenwich. Ay, hindi ako mahilig sa Greenwich. Ayoko nung thin crust na pizza. Hindi ako nabubusog doon. Hanggang dito lang siya. Dito. Parang hindi siya umaabot sa tiyan ko. Nakakabitin. Tsaka ayoko nung thin crust kasi para lang ako kumakain ng crackers. Para ako kumakain ng sunflower na ang flavor ay pizza. Pizza flavor crackers. Yun lang. Hindi nasa-satisfy yung aking craving. Kaya gusto ko talaga Pizza Hut. Okay. Ang haba na ng nails ko. Oh. Alam nyo ba dati, hindi ako nakakapagpahaba ng ganito. Ng naku ko. Hindi ako nakakapagpahaba ng ganito kasi talagang ang bilis maputol ng nails ko. To think na mas madalas pa ako maghugas ng pinggan ngayon kaysa nung dalaga pa ako. Alam mo, siguro kasi mula nung, ewan ko ha, feeling ko lang. Feeling ko lang mula nung I started working out. Naging maganda na yung tubo ng aking nails. Kasi alam niyo yun yung, yung based on ano to, gosh, ayun, yun nga, kasi sabi sa amin dati na ang natutunan ko syempre sa from nursing school na kahit na nagko-consume ka ng calcium, yung recommended amount daily ng calcium, pero pag hindi mo siya ginagamit, kasi pag hindi mo ginagamit, pag hindi ka gumagalaw-galaw, hindi ka nag-workout, ang tendency yung calcium, ina-excrete mo lang yan. Ina-excrete mo, nilalabas mo lang sa katawan. So, kaya yun yung isang mga theory na kaya siguro tumibay na yung aking nails dahil nga nag-workout na ako. Siguro nagagamit ko na yung calcium ko, nade-deposit na sa aking nails, sa aking bones. Again, this is just my theory. Hindi porket nakasalamin ako, alam ko lahat. Wala tong grado. Anyway. So, order muna ako. Nagsimula na naman ako ng daldal ko. Diyos mia, pardon. I don't know what I'm gonna have. Ano sa tingin mo? Hindi ko alam. Teka. Hindi ko alam kung anong ordering ko. Ano ba masarap dito? I think I want burger. Yum with TLC yan. Nagmahal na. 100 pesos na. 90 plus lang yan dati. Anak ng... naman talaga itong Jollibee na ito. Lagi nagtataas. Amazing Aloha. Wow, amazing talaga. Pati yung price niya amazing. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Jaya, what do you want? Magpapa-deliver ako sa Jollibee. Jaya, papa-deliver ako sa Jollibee. What do you want? Burger? Hot dog? What do you want? Uy, more than 12 hours ka nang natutulog. Ano ka ba? Hindi ka pa nag-dinner last night. I think I'm gonna get champ meal or amazing aloha. Amazing aloha kaya. Oh yeah, yung pinakamalaki.
All representatives are currently engaged at the moment. Your call is important to us.
Wow, swerte. Engaged sila lahat.
Service representative becomes available.
Engaged daw lahat ng representatives. Guys? Hindi ko alam yung lyrics eh. Tagal?
Years na.
35 years na ako naghihintay.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Jollibee Delivery. This is Brian. May I have your phone number, please?
Yes, 3. So, after 35 years, naka-order na ako sa Jollibee. Ang tagal nila kumuha ng order. Pero everything na lang natatawag ako, meron silang update sa system nila. Kailangan pa update yung address, yung contact number. Sorry, you gonna wake up now? Cute kitty baby ko! Grabe, ang tagal nito natulog. What time ka natulog last night? 6, 7. 7 p.m. Tapos ngayon ka lang gumising? What time is it? It's 10. Yun lang. Gumawa na ako ng Facebook page. Kaya connect tayo. Connect tayo. I would love to interact with you. Pwede nyo kayo message doon. And yeah. If you wanna know something about me, may mga questions kayo, just hit me up. Hit me up on Facebook. Hit me up on Facebook. Wala pa siya sa ulirat. Medyo para pa siyang nananaginip ka pa ba? Are you dreaming? Yun ha, message ako sa Facebook. Actually, may mga couple of na ako na nakausap sa Facebook and yeah, I'm happy. At least gusto kong malaman, gusto kong makipag-usap sa inyo. Yung, yeah, chika-chikahan tayo. Because I'm lonely. I don't have friends. But I have my baby. I don't have friends. Chika lang. My life is so boring. Kaya, pasayahin nyo ko. I mean, let's talk. Yeah, let's talk. Let's talk. You can ask me anything. Wag lang pera, okay? Because I don't have pera. Diba, Jaya? Why aren't you talking? He's like, ano ba yan, mama? Ang aga-aga pa. Ingay-ingay mo na. Okay, it's time for breakfast. Bising-bisi pa tong batang to. Ay, bata. Bata. Magma-Minecraft ka na lang dyan. It's time for our breakfast. We're gonna eat. Oh yeah, fries. Come on, let's eat. Okay ka na? Nagsasalita ka na? Kanina kasi hindi ka pa nagsasalita eh. Okay ka na ngayon? Siyempre okay na siya kasi nandito na yung Jollibee. We're gonna eat. Diba? Ba yan, tape? Ano ba yan? Oh, here's your hot dog. Let's see.
Ta-da!
Cheesy. This is mine. Amazing aloha. Aloha! Aloha!
Lungkot na.
Ay! Bakit walang sesame seeds? Ganito ba talaga to?
Sa beses.
Ano ba yan? Ba't ang liit? Bakit
Hindi,
dun sa
sesame
picture?
seed.
Bakit dun sa picture malaki? Oh,
Saan?
ito siya. Ito na siya ngayon. Ito ay, nako.
Yung dalawa naman pati niya eh.
Oo nga, pero ang liit. So,
Diba?
let the games begin. Is this real? Si Beyonce ba talaga to? Nagpa-catch na ng hair. Short hair na siya. Anyway, kahit ano namang book ni Beyonce, maganda pa rin siya. What do you think? You don't care. You don't care. You look like you don't care at all. Okay. Okay, since ako'y busog na, ako lang pala. Are you gonna join me? Are you gonna join me on my journey to Dreamland?
Umaya na.
Okay, I think it's time for my nap. Nantok na ako kasi busog na ako. Pag busog na, tulog na. Ayan, nap lang muna ako.
Still working, you can't freaking do it. 5, 4, 3, you got it. 2, take a 30-second break. Come on, y'all. Take your 30 seconds. One more time, that rotation. Good job. Stay in there, keep pushing. How we doing? This is a good time to check your heart rate. Good time to check your heart rate, because we're up. Go, go. Just focus. A second. Come on. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Make sure the hips is up, your elbows are going back, your fingertips are facing your heels. Come on, y'all, push, 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 push. All right, Adriana, right there. 1, elbows are going back, she's in it, push. Good job. Stay there, lift those hips and ride. There you go, come on. Push, push. You are staying strong, you are staying strong. Tell me how you feel. Come on, let's go. Come on, push, push, dig. Look at those abs still working. Come on, push. Ready? Grab some water. It's all about power, y'all. How we feeling? Jump, 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 jump. Power. Come on, come on, come on. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, come on. Work the core, work the chest. Come on, push. Move. Core is tight right there. Come on. Come on, y'all. Come on. 5 seconds. Come on. Dig through it. Dig through it. Dig through it. Keep breathing. If you don't look like this, you gotta stop and take a break. Come on, right? Focus. We're doing animal training, y'all. So you gotta take that breath to recover. It's very important that you do, okay? It's okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right back up. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, contract. 3, 2, down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Okay, find your balance. Knees together, hips forward, chest up, arm out, breathe.
Minsan, when you think, minsan tatamarin ka talaga mag-workout. Pero pag once na nandun ka na, ewan ko na lang kung di mo pa matapos. Just give it a chance. Give it 5 minutes. And the next thing you know, tapos na yung workout. Actually, kanina, dalawang isip ako kung mag-workout ako. Pero, yeah. Buti na lang, nag-workout ako. At least, diba? Natapos ko din. So, that's it.
All right, reason for getting everybody